everybody out there, this is Felix from ElectroFame. Today I would like to introduce you another brand here from Shenzhen. AOSON is not so famous in Europe at the moment, but with 100,000 sales in China mainland every month, we think it's definitely worth it to have a closer look at them. Today we will have a short look at the M716G. Okay, let's have a short look at the box. As you can see, there's only mentioned the internal memory, which is 8 GB. Nothing else, no specs. In this case we have inside of the box only the tablet. We have a small extra box with all the accessories inside. I will start here with a small box. First of all, we have here the charger, which is in this case a US plug, but you have always the choice to order the EU plug and the UK plug too, and then it will just come with this kind of adapter, so you can easily just like put them like this together, and it will fit well together with all European plugs. Then we have here some earphones. That is quite funny how they make them, because these earphones you can use them from both sides. One is in-ear like this, and the other side is in-ear like this. Plus you have another button to receive the calls. Then we have here the USB to mini USB cable. Alright, and that's it so far. And inside of the box we have the tablet. This is a 7-inch tablet with 3G function. So here on the back we have the SIM card slot, and oh sorry, this is the wrong side. Here we have the SIM card slot, and next to it is the micro SD card slot. You can extend it with up to 32 GB micro SD card. Then we have here the HDMI port, the mini USB port, and next to it the 3.5mm jack. On the back we have a 3 megapixel camera, and on the front I think it's a 0.3 megapixel camera. Next to it here the the speaker, and on the bottom we have here the microphone. On this side we have here the power button, and next to it the volume buttons. Inside we have a Allwinner A31s Quad-Core Processor. The SIM card slot works with a 2 GSM and 3G WCDMA network. Alright, I think we can get started. Yeah, as you can see, this is plastic backing here. We have a TFT screen with a resolution of 1025 x 600. Okay, let's get it started. Alright, let's get it started. Alright, let's get started. Here we go. First we have the AOSON logo coming up. Nice animation here. All fluent. Alright, and that's it. Here we go. Yeah, this 7-inch tablet, and for me it looks a little bit more like a phablet. Yeah, it has a bit the feeling of the phablet, the size. Fits easy in the hand. It would even fit maybe in a big pocket of a trousers. Right, let's check out the performance and a little bit the specs of the tablet. We have here the Playstore pre-installed and a lot of other basic apps what you need, from calculator to Gmail. The Google Maps is not on it, but you can get it easily just right away from your Play Store. Alright, check out some settings. Let's go down. About the tablet, we have here the Android version 4.2.2. Alright, Quad-Core A31s series, what I mentioned already before. We have here the storage, which is available, as you can see here. 1 GB internal storage available, and then another 4.51 available. Then we have here furthermore on the let's go to the languages, check out the languages. Alright, okay, a lot of different languages, from Afrikaans to Chinese. You will find, I think, your language in between too, for sure. Then let's go next to the benchmark test. Let's go back one more time here. Okay. AnTuTu benchmark is 11,219, which is, I think, quite alright for this small device. Let's go to the device infos. Okay, Allwinner A31s processor, 1024x600 resolution. Sorry, I said that wrong before. That was 1025 when I mentioned. 1.9 megapixel camera on the back. I was wrong with that too. It's not a 3 megapixel. We have here 5-point multitouch screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And furthermore, we check the root checker. So if you see more, alright, this device does not have root access, so if you really want to root this device, beware, you will lose the warranty. We give usually for all devices 1 year warranty. Alright, let's play a game for a second and check out the graphic performance of the tablet. Okay, no, we don't want that one. It's always quite difficult to play if you're behind the camera, so let's see how it ends. Smooth performance, all good. Whoa, okay, and that's it. One more time. Okay, and that's it. Maybe one more movie to see a little bit more of the graphic performance. Alright. Here we go to the gallery, and here we go. Here we have one. Maybe not that one. No, let's take that one. We have a 4K player already pre-installed, next generation. Very nice too. Okay, start over. Okay, start over. Let's go a bit further maybe. Okay, already smooth here. Quite nice. Alright. Next thing, oh, maybe some pictures there, some nice pictures on it. Alrighty. So here, clear, really clear, nice, brilliant quality. Alright. Okay, and that's it so far. I hope you enjoyed the short review of the M716G from AOSON, and if you are interested, you can buy this cheap tablet for 99 euros on our website.